Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on Android phone. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. Solution 1. Toggle Wi-Fi on and off. Step 1. Swipe down from the top of your screen to access quick settings. Step 2. Tap on Wi-Fi icon to turn it off. Step 3. Wait for few seconds, then tap it again to turn it back on. Solution 2. Reset network settings. This will reset your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data settings. Step 1. Open the settings app. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on system. Step 3. Tap reset option. Step 4. Tap reset Wi-Fi setting, then confirm. Solution 2. Use airplane mode off. Step 1. Swipe down to open quick settings. Step 2. Tap the airplane mode icon to turn it on. Step 3. Wait for few seconds, then turn it off again. Solution 4. Forget and reconnect the Wi-Fi. Step 1. Open the settings app. Step 2. Then tap on Wi-Fi. Step 3. Tap the problematic network and select forget. Step 4. Reconnect by entering the password again. Solution 5. Check date and time settings. Step 1. Open the settings app. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on system. Step 3. Tap on date and time. Step 4. Enable automatic date and time and automatic time zone. Solution 6. Reset your phone. Step 1. Press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds. Step 2. Tap on reset. Step 3. Wait for few seconds, then turn it on. And that's it. Hopefully one of these solutions help you to get your Wi-Fi working again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials and iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.